13th of July, Dreigiau'r Mynydd held a weekend camp. We met up at 7:15 at Asda's, where we were all excited for this weekend ahead. We separated and some went up to collect the food for the weekend, as the others went to the boat base where we were staying for the weekend to set up the tents. 2 people from our unit took advantage of the showers that we discovered in our campsite as soon as possible. Then at 9 o'clock the quiz was held, where some was very good at it and some would, well, let's say, need another geography lesson. But in the end it was all fun and games. Tea was made shortly after and everyone ran to go and get it, as everyone was very hungry. We had some people like Charlie who ate it as quick as possible, where there was other people like Tom and Bevins and Max Pasley trying to find the ketchup but couldn't resist eating the hot dog before finding it. At 11 o'clock it was time for bed, and Joe had a bit of a struggle with trying to get everyone to sleep, but he succeeded in the end. The next morning it was all peaceful until seagulls decided to give everyone an early rise, only to find one person sleeping outside on her own. Let's just say her sleeping bag was soaking.
So on the Sunday we let them loose in Barry, off on a little photo trail. We challenge you to work out what some of their photo challenges were.
So what does Jamboree mean to you?
Jamboree to me means getting a nice time.
Jamboree means to me meeting new and exciting people from around the world.
Jamboree means to me making new friends. Jamboree means to me making loads of new friends from a different country.
Jamboree means to me trying new things.
Jamboree means to me experiencing new cultures.
Jamboree means to me trying new foods from all different parts of the world.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures at Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.